Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, Monday, 7th of October of 2024. Well, last week I was expecting continuation, but didn't happen. Bitcoin retrace, and I was expecting some retracement during the last week. I was expecting a retracement basically to the entrance of this fair value gap, and Bitcoin retraced, but retraced a lot more, a lot more, and just went up during the last days of the week. So basically, it swiped completely this fair value gap that is unrespected and closed it over this fair value gap in this retracement. So basically, this is super bullish because I was telling you in the weekly video that we are creating a higher a bullish market structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and that is completely bullish. So I wasn't expected a retracement so big, but the important thing is that this zone, this fair value gap that is in the weekly time frame, was completely respected and Bitcoin closed over and it's already starting to go up. So, what are the important points for this week? First of all, we need to mark the midpoint of this huge whack because these points are super important. 302.2. This point is maybe a point that Bitcoin will touch in this during this week. To the upside, the most important thing is that this week, if Bitcoin gonna be bullish, it need to close over the open of the last week, and better if close over the high of the week before. So this candle that is creating now, it can retrace to here, and without a problem, bounce, but the idea is to close over here and over here to continue being bullish. Okay, so this is the basically the analysis guide. The important zones are here and the open of this candle. Worst case, if Bitcoin is going sideways basically this whole week, the idea is to close over the at least so over the midpoint of this last week candle that is 62,701 in this contract, Bitcoin in Binance perpetual contract, at least to the midpoint of this candle. But I think Bitcoin has the market are bullish now. The employment data goes well, so I think it's more likely that Bitcoin will have a bullish week. Looking, just wanna take a look at the monthly candle. Yeah, the monthly candle is super super bullish for now. This point is super important. We need to close this month over the 66,450 US dollars, and it's close. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin close this monthly candle over here, of course that will create the momentum to continue going up. So for now, things are looking good to the upside for bullish, and we will go to the daily analysis. Well, the last week, the last day, the last 10 or 12 days, we clearly see this point of a retracement, and it happened perfectly. We talked in our videos about this point to starting going up. It happened perfectly. So for now, we have this zone that is this fair value gap here that Bitcoin hasn't touched it yet. This fair value gap that Bitcoin managed to close yesterday, Sunday, over the midpoint of this fair value gap that is super bullish. And today, Monday, is already going up, already going up 1.5%. So basically, if Bitcoin managed to close over here, this is the next zone of interest. And if Bitcoin managed to close over the midpoint or better here, the next target is this high. So for now, things are looking pretty good. Basically, continue being bullish. And the main scenario is that Bitcoin pass through this zone with strength. This is super important because here in this zone is where things can turn around and turn, because imagine Bitcoin just touch this point and there can go down and touch this point, for example, and continue going down. These points are generally points of inflection. If Bitcoin is Bitcoin gonna be to the downside, here we will see the movement. And if Bitcoin gonna be bullish, we will have to pass through like hot butter, like a hot knife in butter, just smoothly, and take this high without a problem. So basically, for now, bullish, looking very careful what's happened here in this zone in the daily time frame, and looking like objective. For example, this could be an order block, a very important order block. We will mark it here with this magnet. This is an order block in the daily, this point of interest, and this is a buy side liquidity to the upside. These 2 points, these 3 points, basically super important. This fair value gap, and this order block, and this high. The important thing is that Bitcoin passed this point and passed this order block and passed this high. If Bitcoin didn't pass this point and managed to swipe close below and starting to close below a few days below this order block, that is a pretty bad sign and means that Bitcoin will go down. So we need to check it in every day and see what's happened. But for now, things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin is behaving as expected. So we are okay. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for the weekly and daily. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and chat with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.